So starting the test drive in this Impala, the V6 is pretty strong. I like it much better than the naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. Of course, you don't get as good as fuel economy when you're driving that, but I just feel like this requires a little less pull driving normally, getting up to speed, things of that nature. Now we're definitely going to give it a pull getting on the interstate here, if I can give myself a little space. But the ride quality with this being an Impala, very good. I'd be surprised if it wasn't. I'm going to put it in a manual mode. Then we're going to give it a pedal down here. Yes, extremely quick for a naturally aspirated V6. Very impressed. Now the ride here again is very, very great. Let's see if I can get a pass here. Yeah, the passing power is great, great, great. But ride is definitely about a 9.5 out of 10 in my opinion. Feels so great behind the wheel, and then you still have, it's more of a numb steering feel, but it's what you'd expect out of this car. This is pretty much Chevy's Cadillac in my opinion, in terms of getting something that rides well, has good power. And it's just, it feels nice. Even in the more basic trim like this LT, it's not a Premier, but it still feels luxurious. Now I do think this car is pretty, if you can find one like this, it's a pretty good deal. I know they say certain things about the V6 in terms of the reliability, but you get something like this, has been kept in pretty good shape. You have a good mechanic, things of that nature, shouldn't be an issue. This one here is actually a certified pre-owned, and it has a lifetime powertrain warranty. So if engine issues or transmission issues, whatever it is, if that's keeping you from getting a car like this, if you get one that's a 19 or newer model, at least in 2024, you can still get those certified. And then Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro offers a lifetime warranty for vehicles that are, I believe, 10 years or older. They have to meet a few other criteria, but for the most part, American, Japanese. So this one here being a Chevrolet falls under that criteria, so you can get a lifetime powertrain warranty. As long as you abide by the manufacturer's required maintenance, you'll be in good shape for however long you own this car. So if the engine goes out at 100,000 miles with that lifetime powertrain warranty, that's covered, and you don't have to worry about replacing the motor or anything like that. But it was one of the last few remaining large passenger cars, and it still holds a special place in my heart, just having this refined interior, all this space in here, rides well, decent fuel economy, and still looks good floating down the road. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2019 Chevy Impala LT.